Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm reviewing my Makita EB5300Th. We got this in October and I did a video on it then, but we had only had it for a couple of weeks. So now it's had a full leaf blowing season, I can give my true informed opinion on this particular blower. Now, I will be showing a little bit of footage of it in action and compared to another blower, so I'll put that at the end of the video, so if you want to see that, by all means stay tuned for that. As I say, we bought it in October and it was for £275, so under £300, which is really reasonable I think for a blower of this size. It's a 52cc engine with max air velocity of 82 meters a second and max air volume of 15 meters a second mins. It's a 4-stroke engine as well, so there's no worrying about mixing oils, just put your standard fuel in, no bother at all. It's got a 1.8 litre fuel tank which gives you plenty of runtime on it, and the vibration factors on this particular blower are 0.6 and 2.9, and the whole package comes in at 9 kilos. But for any more information, by all means check out Makita's website for full specs, and I'll put a link in the description below to that website. So first off, when we bought it, it comes with 2 different tubes, and it came with the oil it needed initially, because obviously it was dry. We bought it online, so that was good. So it was out of the box, it was ready to go, just put the oil in and away you go. So it comes with this curved flat tube and the standard round tube, and this is the extension tube that fits onto the end, which I'll show you in a minute. So I'll just talk you through a few of the features, a few things I like, a few things I dislike, and then I'll summarise for you. So first off, I think the overall aesthetic, the look of the machine is really good. I've had people comment on it, asking me what it is, because though Makita is a well-known brand in drills and things like that, it's not well known for its garden machinery, but it should be. I think it's really well packaged, it looks very professional, and I think if you're in a gardening business, I think it's good to try and project the right image that you're doing well and you've got good tools, because that will reflect well on you and the customers will pick up on that fact. So definitely worth it. And it's not just looking good, it performs as well. The pull start is lovely for a big engine. It's really nice and light. As I say, we've only had it for a few months, but it starts first time. Just prime it a few times, choke on, and turn it on at the handle, and it just starts lovely. So that's really nice, because a lot of the bigger blowers, they can be quite heavy to start, so it's nice to have that nice easy function. Pull start, equally easy access fuel can there. On the tubes that it comes with, I found that I've had to use the round tube. The flat tube seems to want to pull towards the ground, which means you end up having to lift it with your arms, which I found to be quite tiring when you're doing the blowing. So though it does give you a little bit of extra airspeed, I found that the round tube cuts out any of that need for lifting it or anything like that, fatigue or anything. So, and I prefer using the round tube anyway. On this extension tube, it's got the standard sort of lock system, pop to join it to the tube. One thing I would say with this particular one is, certainly when it was new, this was quite tricky. It's quite a complex sort of shape, got to pop it in then twist it, and it's more tricky than it some of the steel, and you can see the vibration dampening there on the back. So then moving on to these straps, so we've got nice well padded straps, much more padding than the you get on a steel, and again a nice handle at the top there. These straps here to pull it, to get it right against your back so you don't feel the weight, and you've got padding on the back there and a nice waist strap which is adjustable, and again just your standard adjustments there. I would personally like one across the middle as well on the shoulders, but this particular model doesn't come with that, and there's a bit of damage on there. I think that's happened when we were taking it out of the van, or so we'll have to stitch that up, but it's not major, and it hasn't gone, none of the stuffing's come out, so it's not major, and that'll just glue up or stitch up, no problem. Now moving on to the tube, it's a nice big tube, and we've got the handle which is fully adjustable along the length of this, so if you've got really long arms or really short arms, or you want to change your position, you've got plenty of adjustment. And you've got your cruise control handle, which is also your on-off switch, which I found to be a little bit annoying. It works perfectly fine obviously, but if you're using the cruise control handle and you've got it up here, and then you decide to throttle back, if you're not careful you end up turning the machine off by going all the way down. As long as you're aware of that, it shouldn't happen, but it does happen a couple of times, so it's a little bit annoying, and then you have to take it off your back and put it back on, and you know, it's the sort of thing you don't want to be doing, especially with a machine like this, but as long as you're aware of it, it's not a problem. But the handle's comfortable, it's good grip, and it's nice responses as well. To conclude then, I'm really impressed by it. It's powerful, it's not too big, it's not too heavy, it's comfortable to wear for quite long periods of time, you hardly feel any vibrations at all, easy to start, and you know, all of those things that you want from a machine that you're using every day. Just really pleased with it, and there's no worrying about mixing fuel for it, so again it's nice and simple, hasn't missed a beat since we bought it, so really couldn't recommend this highly enough. Just really nice blower, and for this sort of price you won't get a similar sort of power from any of the brands, so you know, you'll have to pay an extra £100 at least, I would have thought, to get the same sort of power from a Husqvarna or a Stihl with these sort of features. So it's definitely worth checking them out. They are, though Makita's not hugely known for its outdoor garden tools, definitely worth checking them out, because they are a name that's going to be, they've got some good tools out there, and I'll be definitely looking at them for more of my tools in the future, so I definitely think you should have a look at them anyway. So as I say, I'll just put in a few clips of me using the particular blower, and thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you've got any questions, just leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Alright, thanks for watching, bye for now.